Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your tax statement from eToro. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is basically be logged in into your account. Then you will head over here to the left bottom side where you see settings, click on it, and then you will choose the account. Now here under the account, you will see, if you scroll down a little bit, documents. You will see account statement and stock lending activity reports. So click on account statement, and here what you need to do basically is just simply select the month. So let's say last month, just like that, and click on create. And you should see something like that. Alright, so what you can do now here, you simply check if every transfer, deposits, and that is correct, which I think it is. And now what you can do also is click here on the top right corner where you see PDF and Excel file. So if you click on that, it will start downloading the file, and you will, after it's downloaded, you can basically see on PDF from your computer. So yeah, this is pretty much how you can export tax statement. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.